Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. In today's video, we're going to learn how to add icons to your taskbar. This is a really simple trick, but it can save you a lot of time by keeping your favorite apps just one click away. So let's get started. Now, let's pin Chrome to the taskbar. Simply right-click on it. Now, from the list, click on the Pin to Taskbar. Chrome is now pinned to the taskbar. Now, let's add another icon to the taskbar. This time, we'll pin CapCut. The process is the same as before, just right-click and pin it to the taskbar. As you can see, CapCut is also pinned to the taskbar. Now, let's see how to remove it from the taskbar. Simply right-click on the icon you want to remove. In this case, we'll remove CapCut. Now, click on Unpin from Taskbar. As you can see, the icon has been successfully removed from the taskbar. In today's video, we walked through the simple steps of how to pin your favorite apps to the taskbar and also how to unpin them whenever you don't need them. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made things easier for you. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.